higher pump, put some shades on. Let it up, man.
Hi everyone, welcome back. And today it's December 20 and the temperature is 43 Fahrenheit. So it's kind of cold, but still not that cool. And I'm walk around Amsterdam Avenue in front of Key Food, and it's 6 o'clock, and you can see still a lot of people walk around, and you can see in the right side is the church. That's a church, and I'm gonna turn to the left. In my left side was a Key Food, is an American supermarket. On my right side is so you can see they sell the Christmas trees. It's a real one, and they have a very attractive price, and they also sell the light. It's an ornament for the Christmas. And I'm gonna cross the street, and if you see on my right side, if we cross the street, it's a Mexican restaurant. The name of Rancho Tequileria. Is a good place, and the steak is kind of good, very thick and tasty. And on my left side is like I think it's a Decker, or I have no idea, but they write down all be baby, so I don't know what was that. Oh, it's a store for the baby. They sell any kind of like a stroller, or it's like baby thing, and you can see it's a good lighting. And there's a lacy hair studio around here also, and craft. They sell something for the pottery, mosaic pottery and plaster. And now we can cross the street. And in my left side, you can see they have it's a magic shop. I don't know what was that, but they kind of look like of the nail shop, but I don't know. Or maybe they sell something for the magic, for the magician, I don't know. And on my left side also, we still in west side, they have a sushi bar, and also you can buy and they have a Dunkin' Donut. I think around this area a lot of Japanese restaurant as well. street. And they have a spot on my left side. And it's a hair salon. And they have a wine bar with an Italian Mediterranean cuisine. So really nice place. So maybe we can turn around to looking for what at the Upper West Side 19th Street have. So I'm gonna try to cross this street so we can check on my left side right now. But I have to wait until the traffic light stop, turn to be a white, like allowing me to walk to cross the street. But I think this winter is not like a very cold like before, like a years before, like years before. But we don't know until at the beginning of the next year, probably. We also never get the snow showering, just a little bit snow. So you can see on my left side is a 99 plus. It's a store, everything sell it. It's like a cheaper, and they call it 99 cents. And some of the car parked on my right side, and they have a smoke shop and also saloon. And oh, it's a daycare. And this is also Chinese food, I think. Oh, they have a buffet. Good to know. I never there's a dog hotel, I think. Playground for the dog. Oh, they have a steakhouse here, and they have a shawarma stabasi. Good to know. This, oh, they have a pastry here. To be honest, even I work around this area, but I never explore this area, so that's why I don't know. So these are the hostess houses. Kind of cool on this. It may be the temperature drop, but I don't know. Oh, there's a part for the parking car for the house. And you can see they have a pharmacy on my left side. And if you need something, they have a deli as well, and they sell some of the flour. Oh, there you go. Pio Pio. I've been tried a Pio Pio before, and the food is the chicken are so good and tasty. I like it. I like chicken. And they also have a deli, ATM. And this is a Chinese food that I always buy during lunch. It's very cheap, like I think 9, but I forgot. And there's a Chelsea house. They sell the Thai food as well. That's it. The Rancho Tengkulera that I tell you is a delicious place, and they have also happy hours. And for the Muslim, you can try the fast food from the halal guys. They have a lot of branches around New York City. And that's a wine liquor. If you like slice of pizza, they have a $4 or $10 pizza over there. There's a self-furniture. They have a small bar, and on my left side, that one was a CVS. And also pizzeria. There's a pizzeria, and you can see over there is the chart. So that's the adventure around the Amsterdam 92nd Street, Upper West Side. And next time we're gonna explore another road around the New York City. So it's still 6:20, and the temperature I think is kind of dropped today. Like before I say it's 43, and I guess today is, right now it's already around 38 or something like that. So guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoy my video, and see you in my next video. Bye.